Welcome to Thurston's Top Tips. As always, remember, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell your friends as well, and if you have any specific questions, send them through. So here we are, question 5. This question is all about probability. Remember, probability can be given as a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. The choice is yours. So a 6-sided dice, we have probabilities, some of them as decimals, some of them as values of x. And Becky is going to throw the dice 200 times. Work out an estimate that the number of times shown will land on an even number. Okay, so first of all, we know even numbers are going to be 2, 4, and 6. They're the ones that we're interested in. In this case, we know that the probability of it landing on a 2 is 0.18, but we've got all these x's which make it a little bit tricky. Now, when we know that one of these things has to happen, all of the probabilities have to add up to 1. Therefore, if we subtract from 1 the 0.18 that we get for 2 and subtract the 0.26 that we get for 5, that means there is a total of 0.56 left to give away. We have 2x, 2x, 3x, and x. If I add all of those together, okay, 2x, 2x, 3x, and x, that gives me a total of 8x, which means that these two things have to be equal to each other. So 8x is equal to the remaining 0.56 that has to be allocated. X, if we therefore divide both sides by 8, gives me a value of 0.07. So each of these x's, okay, are worth 0.07. Thinking about 2, the even numbers, okay, we have 0.18 as a probability, plus the 4's is 3x. Well, remember that x is equal to 0.07, so 3x becomes 0.21. For the 6, we add an extra x. Remember, x is equal to 0.07. So in total, my sum for the 2, the 4, and the 6 gives me that, which means there is an overall probability of 0.46 of an even number happening. But the question says work out an estimate for the number of times the dice will land on the even number. So there's 200 times we're going to roll the dice, multiplied by the probability 0.46 that we will get an even number. Type that into your calculator and it gives you the answer of 92. There you go, nice and easy. Hopefully that was helpful. Remember, subscribe if you like this and you get access to all of the other videos.